Hello guys, Merry Xmas from Jestina's kitchen and a Happy New Year in advance. Today's recipe is easy and affordable, a dish called Chicken Yassa.
It's famous and popular in the Gambia.
This is the list of the ingredients we need for our chicken yassa.
Chicken yassa is all about onions, guys, so we need plenty of onions.
Bell peppers can also be added. First, I start by breaking down the vermicelli into small pieces.
To prevent sticking, incorporate 1 tablespoon of oil into the vermicelli. I'm going to incorporate 3 tablespoons of water in the vermicelli. That means integrating some water and the vermicelli. Use a damp baking paper in the steamer, then transfer the vermicelli to the steamer. After that, transfer the vermicelli to the steamer, as I'm doing right now, and then cover the steamer for it to steam for 5 to 6 minutes on low heat. Initiate the procedure after 6 minutes and then repeat the process. If you want to make the best vermicelli or couscous, use this recipe. It's one of the best recipes. It takes a little bit time, but for me, this is the best way to cook vermicelli or couscous. Of the cooking is optional. Incorporate yellow food coloring if you want to. If you don't want it, you don't need to. It's just to give it a very beautiful and attractive color. After adding the food color with some little water, we're going to proceed with the final steaming of the vermicelli. and then incorporate preferred vegetables. I am using caprage or caprice, we call it in Swedish, and then with some green olives together with cooked carrots and peas. You can add in currants too if you want to, it's up to you. To the next stage, which is the seasoning of the chicken. I've already washed it very clean and seasoned it with Jestina's Kitchen all around seasoning. Or marinate with black pepper, garlic, mustard, ginger, lime, or any seasoning of your choice. To ensure even cooking in the oven, incorporate 2 tablespoons of oil alternatively. Pan frying the chicken is also acceptable, or even you can cook it inside an air fryer. But for me today, I'm going to grill my chicken in the oven. And then we do the onions. And then last, we add the onions and the chicken together.
Put the chicken on a baking tray lined with parchment paper.
And then what's next? Grill in a 250 degrees preheated oven until the chicken is golden brown. Remove the chicken from the oven once it has achieved a brown color. Then flip it to the other side and then put it back inside the oven. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and share. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. I promise you and ensure that you will see the best and good recipes in Jestina's Kitchen. The chicken is now done and ready for transfer. I'm going to transfer all the chicken from the tray to a plate. And after transferring the chicken, don't throw away the drippings. Incorporate the chicken drippings together with the chicken. That is going to keep the chicken moist, guys. And then we're gonna cover it with foil for it to maintain the moisture until we get back to it later. So guys, we now start with the second to last stage, which is the preparation of the onions, bell peppers, and the garlic. Chicken yassa is all about onions, guys. So we are going to chop the onions into wedges. Likewise, the bell pepper, it's optional. If you don't want it in, you don't need to add it in. Transfer it in a plate. And then we now get on to the garlic. Finely chop the garlic or press them with a presser.
After caramelizing for 2 to 3 minutes, incorporate 1 teaspoon of black pepper, chili flakes, garlic powder, paprika powder, and all-purpose seasoning or any seasoning of your choice.
Then incorporate 2 tablespoons of the chopped garlic, stir everything together, and then continue with the caramelizing of the onions, and that will take a little bit time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes on a low temperature, as I have said before. And then after that, we're going to add in some little water and then adjust seasoning to your taste. Caramelizing of the onions is done. Then we incorporate the mixed bell pepper that we're gonna cook for just about 1 to 2 minutes because I want the bell pepper to be crunchy. Integrate the grilled chicken with the caramelized onions. This recipe can be prepared and served on different occasions because it is really tasty. It is really mouth-watering, I tell you guys. If you try it, you'll never stop doing it. Simmer gently, covered for 6 to 10 minutes to allow the chicken to absorb the sauce's flavor. After that, stir gently and serve. It's tender and juicy. When you see that there's just the onions and little bit of oil left under the pot, then the chicken yassa is done and ready to be served. Serve a chicken yassa with vermicelli and a little bit of salad on the side. It's yummy and delectable, tasty and mouth-watering. So guys, this is all what I have for you today from my kitchen to your kitchen, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, comment, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done.
Take care of yourselves. See you next week in another edition. Bye.